Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the HOTWAV T5 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, so just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, open the settings, swipe down and go to the system. Now look for the reset options, tap on it and select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the system update, choose check for update button, and if you have any, just install it and look for your device again. And in the last tip, try to check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.